Hi mga ka-Exaures! It's day 2 of our Melbourne trip. Our first stop, Mont Salvat in Eltham. This is Victoria's oldest artist colony, built back in the 1930s. Parang nasa Europe ka, surrounded by the stone buildings, gardens, and art studios. The entrance fee is $15 per adult and kids under 12 free, and they are open daily from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. After exploring, we had brunch at their cafe. Perfect way to start our day. Next up, just a 5-minute drive away, we went to Diamond Valley Railway. It's one of Australia's largest and most loved miniature railways. Super saya and napaka-exciting nito para sa mga bata. Real steam engines, tunnels, and bridges. $5 per person, and they're open Sundays and public holidays from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. After the mini train ride, we headed to Moorabbin Air Museum. Para to sa mga mahilig sa airplanes. May mga lumang eroplano, helicopters, and pwedeng pasukin ng mga kids. And they can also ride and explore the inside of the aircraft. Entrance fee is $20 per family of 4, and they're open weekdays from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and on weekends 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. After exploring the suburbs, we went to the city to check out Hosier Lane. Ito yung Melbourne's most famous street art spot. Perfect for Instagram shots. Dito, walang entrance fee. After a long day, we went to Ramen San in Chinatown. Ito yung Melbourne's top ramen spots, and kaya kami nagpunta dito kasi recommended din ng friend namin. We ordered char siu ramen and katsudon para sa anak namin, and gyoza. And super sulit yung food nila dito. Napakasarap. And lastly, nag-dessert kami sa Cariton Sorbetes. Malapit lang siya din sa Ramen San, like 2 to 3 minutes away. Ito ay a Filipino-inspired gelato shop. And in-order namin is buko pandan, ube, and yung queso. And walang katulad. And that's our Melbourne Day 2, from art and trains to airplanes and good food. We had such a fun and meaningful day exploring both the quiet suburbs and the busy city.